Dear students, now we are going to 10th standard maths lesson 3 algebra. This is the continuation of the previous video. Now I explain exercise 3.8 second sum. In the second sum, find the values of a and b if the following polynomials are perfect squares. In the first one, given 4x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 37x square plus bx plus a. This is a given polynomial. Find the values of a and b. This polynomial is a perfect square. So starting the division method, the order is here, the order is correct order, the given polynomial, then 4x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 37x square plus bx plus a. So we take the first term 4x power 4. So the square root of 4x power 4, then 2x square, here 2x square. Then multiply in the two terms 2x square, we have 4x power 4. Then change the symbol, this is one cancel. Write the next two terms minus 12x cube plus 37x square. In the second step, multiply by 2 in the quotient term. So 2x square multiplied by 2, we have 4x square. So write in the second step first 4x square. Then take the first term in divided number minus 12x cube divided by 4x square. We have minus 12x cube divided by 4x square. Then x power 2 times 3 times cancel, remaining 1 times 3 4s are 12. Minus divided by plus, we have minus 3x. So adding the minus 3x in the quotient, the same write in the side. So we multiply into this minus 3x, multiply into the 2 expression, we have minus 3 into 4 minus 12, x square into x cube, minus into minus plus 9x square, 3x into 3x, 9x square. The next step, we change into the sign, minus change into plus, plus change into minus. We have this, the first expression is cancel. Then 37 minus 9 subtracted now, we have 28x square. So 28x square, the remaining two terms we write in the third step plus bx plus a. In the third step, we multiply into the 2 in the quotient term. So 2x square into 2, we have 4x square. 3 minus 3x into 2 minus 6x. So take the first term 28x square, 4x square. So divided by 28x square divided by 4x square. X square cancel. Simplify into fourth table. 1 4s are 4, 7 4s are 28. So plus 7. So add the plus that number in the quotient and the divided number. So 7 multiply into the 3 expressions. We have 7 4s are 28. X square plus into minus minus 7 6 are 42. 42x plus into plus plus 7 7s are 49. So here the term b we have minus 42, then a we have 49. So the given polynomial is a perfect square. The value of b is equal to minus 42 and a is equal to 49. So then we substitute this value, we have 0. So the given polynomial is a perfect square. We have a is equal to 49, b is equal to minus 42. The second one, find the value of a comma b. The given polynomial is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus 361x square plus 220x plus 100. In the sum, we write in the ascending order because the variable is in the first expression. So we change into the expression in ascending order. The first one is 100 plus the next expression is 220x. The third term is 361x square. In fourth one is bx cube. We write in the last one ax power 4. This is the sum. So find the square root of this number. We take 100. So the square root of 100, we have 10. 10 tens are 100. Change the sign. This is cancelled. Write the next two term. 220x plus 361x square. In the second step, multiply into 2 table. We have 10 twos are 20. We write in this side. Now divided by 220x by 20. 0 0 cancel. 2 11 times. So we have 11 into x. So adding the term, the quotient, we have plus 11x. Here we write it. Here we write in the second step. Now multiply into the 11x into 2 term. We have 11 20s are 220x plus 11 11s are 121 x into x square. Now change into the sign. Here we have minus. So this is first expression is cancelled. We subtract in 361 in 121. We have 240 x square. Write the next two term in bx cube plus ax power 4. Now we multiply into in the third step, multiply into 2 table, the quotient. We have 10 twos are 20, 11 twos are 22x. Now we take in the first term 240x square in 20. We have 240 x square divided by 20. 0 0 cancel. 1 2s are 12 2s are. So 12 into x square. So adding this one in the quotient, 12 into x square. Here we write in the 12x square. Then multiply into 12x square in the 3 expression. We have 20 into 12, 240 x square. Then 12 22s are 12 into 22. So multiply into 22 into 12. We have 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. So 264. So 12 into 22 plus 264 x into x square x cube plus 12x square into 12x square. We have 144 x power 4. So in this expression we have 0. In b is equal to 264, then a is equal to 144. So the given polynomial is a perfect square when the value of a is equal to 144, the value of b is equal to 264. This is the answer for the second one. In the third sum, find the values of m and n. The following polynomials are a perfect square. So third one, first subdivision, we find the value of m comma n. So question is 36x power 4 minus 60x cube plus 61x square minus mx plus n. The given polynomials is a descending order. This is the correct order. So we find the square root of the given polynomial 36 x power 4 minus 60 x cube plus 61 x square minus mx plus n. We take the first expression 36 x power 4, find the square root. 36 6 6 are 36, so 6x square into 6x square. We have 36 x power 4, change into the sign, this is cancel. Write the next two terms, minus 60 x cube plus 61 x square. In the second step, multiply into the two table. In the quotient, we have 6 2s are 12. So 12 x square. So take the first expression divided into 12x square. So 60x cube divided by 12x square. We have minus divided by plus, minus 1 12s are 12, 4 12s are 5 12s are 60. So x square, then x cube, we have x. So 5 times. So minus 5x. Adding the expression in the quotient, minus 5x, here minus 5x. So minus 5x multiply into the two terms. We have minus 5 into 12 minus 60 x cube, then minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25 x square. Change into the symbol now. Minus is changed into the plus, plus is changed into the minus. We have, this is cancel. So 61 minus 25. Here 11, 11 minus 5, 6, 5 minus 2, 3. 36 x square. Now write in the next remaining two terms. We have minus mx plus n. So in the third step, multiply into the two table in the quotient. So 6 2s are 12x square, 5 2s are 10 minus 10x. We take the first expression 36 x square divided by 12x square. X square cancel, 1 12s are 12, 3 12s are 36. So we have 3. So add the 3 in the quotient and remainder. So we have 6 12s are 30. So 3 12s are 36 x square, then 3 10s are minus 30x plus 3 3s are 9. So in the given polynomial, we have the 0, the value of m. Here minus m is equal to minus 30. So minus m is equal to minus 30. Here m is equal to minus minus cancel. So the value of m is equal to 30. Then n is equal to 9. So the value of n is equal to 9. We put the 9 in this expression, we have 0. So the value of m equal to 30 and value of n is equal to 9 in the given polynomial. In the second subdivision for the third sum, the given polynomial is x power 4 minus 8x cube plus mx square plus nx plus 16. So this is the ascending order. The expression is correct. So we write the expression in the square root symbol. X power 4 minus 8x cube plus mx square plus nx plus 16. We take the first expression, first term x power 4, square root of x power 4, we have x square into x square, then x power 4, change into the sign, this is cancel. Write the next two term, minus 8x cube plus mx square. Then here minus 8x cube plus mx square. Now we write in the 2 table in the second step, multiply into 2x square. So minus 8x cube divided by 2x square, we have x square, x cube cancel, 4 times of 2. So minus 4x. So the minus 4x adding the quotient, here add the quotient number. So multiply into the 2 expression, we have minus 4 into 2 minus 8 x cube, then plus minus into minus plus 16 x square. So now change into the sign, here plus, here minus. So this is the first expression is cancel. We have the second expression m minus 16. This is a variable here. So m minus 16 into x square. So write in the next two terms plus nx plus 16. So the third step, multiply into the 2 table in the quotient. We have 2x square, 4 2s are 8x. So m minus 16 x square divided by 2x square, we have m minus 16 x square divided by 2x square. X square cancel, then m minus 16 divided by 2 equal to 0. We have 2 go that side, 0. So m minus 16 equal to 0. Then m square, find the square root of the m, we have plus 4. So adding the plus 4, this one plus 4 here, then plus 4, adding this expression. So 4 2s are 8x square. The next one is 4 8s are minus 32x plus 4 4s are then 16. We have changed the symbol now, minus plus minus, we have 0. So the given polynomial n is equal, the value of n is equal to minus 32, then m is equal to, the given polynomial is m minus 16 equal to 8. So m minus 16 is equal to 8, m is equal to 8 plus 16, so m is equal to 24. Here n is equal to minus 32. So we substitute the value of m comma n. The given polynomial has a perfect square. So m is equal to 24, then n is equal to minus 32. So the exercise 3.8 is completed. So dear students, in this exercise we learnt about square root of polynomials by division method. Thank you.